Hello good day viewers. This exponential equation was sent to me on my Facebook page since day before yesterday, and I'm here to give it a try. We asked to solve for x in the exponential equation 9 to the power of x minus 9 to the power of negative x divided by 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of negative x. The whole of this equal to negative 80 multiplied by 3 to the power of x. If you observe to the left hand side, our base on the denominator is 3, but here we have 9. But we know that 9 can be written as 3 squared. So we can transform this 9 into 3 squared. Then we multiply the squares with the current exponents by applying one of the laws of indices. So 9 to the power of x is the same thing as 3 to the power of x, but all squared, minus we have 3 to the power of negative x all squared. Our denominator is 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of negative x, which is equal to negative 80 multiplied by 3 to the power of x. Again, if you observe, this is just difference of two squares, and we can factorize it as we take the first term, which is 3 to the power of x, we minus the second term, which is 3 to the power of what? Negative x. Then we multiply by 3 to the power of x plus, instead of minus, 3 to the power of negative x. This is exactly how to factorize difference of two squares. They only have difference of sign. You divide by 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of negative x. The right hand side remains negative 80 multiplied by 3 to the power of x. If you observe, this and this are exactly the same, so they will cancel. What we have left to the left hand side is 3 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of negative x. This is equal to negative 80 multiplied by 3 to the power of x. Now we can divide both sides by 3 to the power of x in order to clear this 3 to the power of x. So you divide this by 3 to the power of x, you divide this by 3 to the power of x. Let's start from the left hand side. You know this will go into this one time because you're going to divide the two terms. We have 1, then minus. Apply one of the laws of indices. You take one base, which is 3. Then you subtract the exponent, which is going to be minus x minus x. This exponent minus this exponent, right? And this is equal to negative 80 because this will cancel this, right? So this is equal to, we can take this one to the right hand side. We have negative 3 raised to the power of negative 2x equal to negative 80. As 1 crosses over, it becomes negative 1. So to the left hand side, we have negative 3 to the power of negative 2x equal to negative 81. These negatives will cancel. This will cancel this. To the left hand side, we have 3 to the power of negative 2x. To the right hand side, we have 3 to the power of 4, because 3 to the power of 4 is the same thing as 81. Since the bases are the same, we are going to equate the exponents. Negative 2x is equal to 4. And since we are looking for x, we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. Finally, x equal to 4 divided by negative 2. And 4 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 2. And hence, x equal to negative 2. Final answer. An assignment for you is to test whether this x equal to negative 2 will really satisfy our original equation, which is this one. Just plug in wherever you have x to be equal to negative 2x. Compare the left and the right hand side to see whether they are exactly the same. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.